Welcome to VJ Precision. Proudly based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, with cutting-edge technology, a skilled team and an unwavering commitment to excellence. VJ Precision delivers precision-engineered molds to power industries across India.
Hi, I am VJ from VJ Precision Molds Pvt Ltd, the CEO of this company.
At VJ Precision, our structured office layout supports smooth operations across departments. Our high-speed CNC machines form the foundation of our tooling process, cutting with micron-level accuracy to bring even the most complex designs to life. The accounts team manages the financial backbone. In the design department, our engineers use advanced CAD/CAM software to turn ideas into precision molds. And the quality control department ensures that every mold we deliver meets the highest standards through strict inspections. We rely on Makino EDM, renowned worldwide for its ultra-fine precision. It allows us to achieve detailed contours and intricate mold features effortlessly. Our Millicron injection molding machines allow for in-house prototyping and testing, ensuring every mold is trialed before final delivery. With experienced technicians and real-time monitoring, Unit 1 is where raw material is transformed into high-performance, production-ready molds. Unit 2 is all about craftsmanship. Here, our skilled mold makers add the human touch to every tool, with years of experience in hand finishing and tool assembly. Our team ensures every mold is fitted, polished, and refined to exacting standards. From concept to completion, VJ Precision provides end-to-end molding solutions. Trusted by clients across automotive, packaging, electronics, and consumer industries. With 2 dedicated units, advanced machinery, and a team driven by purpose, we are building molds that shape the future. VJ Precision, engineering excellence, molding trust.